Want to know the secret to making Instagram notes turn gold? Say no more. But first you need to know that gold notes on Instagram are a feature that turns Instagram notes gold when users include certain words or emojis related to the 2024 Paris Olympics in their notes. Some of this word include gold, Olympics, Olympian, Olympiad, medal, podium, goat, champion, champs, victory, closing ceremony, torch, world record, summer games, 2024 games, 2028 games, and so many more. First, you need to make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. In my case, I am going to add champion to my note. As you can see, it changed gold. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.